So tonight we're having smoked salmon. I have this nice piece of salmon that I bought from Costco today. I'm going to slice those lemons. The salmon will go on top of the bed of lemons on the grill. And the only thing we're going to put on that salmon is some basil pesto. And then while that is cooking, we will prepare the potatoes. Those have been washed, red potatoes, and those will be diced and put in the oven with some seasonings. Okay, so here I have the diced red potatoes, and now I'm just taking olive oil and putting that all over there and sprinkling in Italian seasoning, a lot of it, stirring it all up, adding salt and pepper, and then I will just bake those until they're tender for about 45 minutes. There's Riker getting the grill ready and stirring the coals, about to put those in. And I'm going to go get the salmon and we're going to put that on the grill. So Riker is laying the lemons on the grill here. So this whole slab of salmon will go on top of the bed of lemons. Now Riker is putting the salmon on top of the bed of lemons. Now Riker is putting pesto all over the top of the fish.
Done?
So Riker's what are you doing right now?
Putting wood on the coals to create smoke.
Riker's a master griller. His daddy taught him. You can see that nice smoke coming out of the grill, so that's going to smoke for about 30 minutes. Okay. So it's been about 30 minutes. There's the salmon. So we're about to take that off. Let me zoom in so you can see. And that is ready to eat.